I am the acting librarian of Eastern University, Sri Lanka, and I want to brief you on the key to library resources. Here, we will be touching on some topics on how you could locate and unlock library resources. So, what is the shelf number? It is the number that you find on the spine of a book and is also known as the call or class number. It has two parts: the Dewey Decimal Classification number and a suffix of 3 letters of the author's name or title. So we can say that the shelf number is like an address of the book, and it can be used to identify related materials. The Dewey Decimal Classification System can be divided into 10 classes. These range from 000 to 900 as listed here. Each class will be used to indicate a different field or class. But these class divisions are very general in topic. That's why we further divide them into subtopics to make them more specific. We do so by using decimals following the class number. Imagine we need to find the classification number for personal management. This falls under the class number of 600, that is technology. Personal management will come under management and auxiliary services, that is 650. Hence, the next number will be 5. Drilling down, we find that personal management is listed with a decimal point 3 under business management, which is 658.3. Now, let us take a look at each and every class of the Dewey Decimal Classification System. I hope it was a comprehensive yet concise guide on how library resources can be located and accessed. Thank you.